Hello and good morning. There's an error I usually experience a lot. This error called error MySQL shutdown unexpectedly. This may be due to a blocked port, missing dependencies, improper privileges, a crash, or a shutdown by another method. I usually get this error a lot when I switch on my XAMPP, this XAMPP. So I know there are other people who probably experience it. So let me show you how I usually solve it. Once you try to start MySQL, start realizing this error. So and because I need to run my applications locally, I have to get MySQL database running. So what I usually do, let me show you in steps. So I usually go to, let me show you. Alright, follow. So you go to where your XAMPP installation is important. Then you go to MySQL, right? Then you go to data. Now from here there are some files you need to delete here. Watch carefully. So you're going to delete one, MySQL, performance schema, phpMyAdmin, and test. Right? MySQL, performance schema, phpMyAdmin, and test. So you select those files and then press delete. Right? Delete. Excellent. And then there are some other files you also need to delete. These are the files. These are the ones that are not folders. These are the ones. So you select all of them, and then unselect this file called IB data1. It's important. Deselect. Don't delete this one. IB data1. Then delete the other files, but don't make sure you don't delete IB data1. So let me press delete. Excellent. Now this way is supposed to be IB data1 and the rest of my databases. These are the folders. They represent my databases. And then I come on to backup. I copy everything here, but make sure I don't select IB data1. Make sure I have not selected IB data1. So I just copy all of these, go back to MySQL, go back to data, and then paste that stuff there. Excellent. So now this one should work. So let me like this. Let me go back to XAMPP, my XAMPP server. So if I attempt to start MySQL, it's now going to work. And how do I know it's working? I can test it. First of all, the port, you can see MySQL is now open on port 3306, and I can actually test it. I can actually go to my localhost and open phpMyAdmin. It's going to work, right? This should open my phpMyAdmin. It's taking its sweet time, but then this should work because this as you can see, it's showing here it's already it's running. So this should work. So we have fixed the error, which is MySQL shutdown unexpectedly. Maybe that port was blocked by some other thing, I don't know. So as you can see, this is my database. It worked, and that's it. Excellent.